Welcome to our tutorial on viewing responses. In this video, we'll show you how to view, filter, and export your assessment responses from your Agolix account. Once your assessment has collected some data, click the Responses link in the menu underneath your assessment. This will take you to a list of all respondents who have completed your assessment. You can also access responses by selecting View Responses from the Actions menu in your assessment editor. On the Responses page, you'll see filter fields at the top. These allow you to narrow down your list of respondents, making it easier to find the responses you need. You can filter by start and end date, respondent name or email, and even group name. Below the filter fields, you'll find a list of respondents that includes their name, email address, the date they took the assessment, and their score. If you created groups when sharing the assessment, you'll also see the group name here. If you need to update the group tags for many responses at once, click the Update Groups button. You can replace one group name with another or assign a group name to all responses that currently don't have one. Hover over a respondent's name to reveal a menu with several options. Let's walk through each one. Click Details to view the respondent's details, including their name, email, and the date and time they completed the assessment. You can see how long they took, their score, and their answers to each question. You can also edit the respondent's contact details by clicking Update Contact Info. Here you can change the name, email address, or group tag. Be sure to click Save to keep your changes. To view a respondent's results over time, click Filter by Respondent. This allows you to focus on the responses from a specific individual, even if they completed the assessment multiple times. Need to resend a respondent's results? Simply click Resend Results and Agolix will send the results to the respondent's email. If a PDF report was generated for the respondent, you can view it by clicking the Report link. If you need to delete a respondent's results, click Delete. To confirm, click the Delete button twice just to prevent accidental deletions. You can export your responses in CSV format. Simply click the Export button. Note that only the responses matching any filters you've set will be exported. When you click Export, a pop-up window will appear. You can specify the email addresses to send the exported responses to, including your own. Once the export is complete, you'll receive a notification and the exported results will be sent to the specified email addresses. That's it! You've now learned how to view and export your assessment responses. Be sure to check out other tutorials to maximize the potential of Agolix. And remember, you can always reach your goals with Agolix.